Hi, I at home because I'm and can go to Alex's birthday party. How is it going? Hi, I'm sorry you can come. The party is great. We are having a lot of fun. Who is at the party right now? Alex is here. Her family is here, and many friends are at the party too. What are you doing? Well, Alex is opening her presents and her parents are talking to the some friends are dancing and others are eating cake. That sounds nice. What is Alice wearing? She is wearing blue dress and white shoes. Shoes look very happy. Are people listening to music? Yes, they are listening to music and dancing. But some people are not dancing. They are sitting and chatting. Is anyone wearing a costume? No, nobody is wearing a costume. But everyone is wearing nice clothes. I'm sad because I'm missing the party, but I'm happy you are having fun. Don't worry, we are taking pictures and videos, and then we are going to show them to you. Thank you. Enjoy the park. And so happy we are going to Alex for me. Of course, get well soon. Bye.